Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alrighty, so today is a pretty fun video. I am getting my first official mechanical keyboard. So I have been watching a bunch of keyboard videos about like Saki keyboards, creamy keyboards, and I've just been wanting one very bad. So a year later, I finally bought one. Yes, I know, it's been a while, but I finally got one. So I got the Keychron C3 Pro, which is their cheapest keyboard, but I got it in the configuration where it has hot swappable switches and it also has RGB, because this keyboard usually has red RGB lights and it's just red, but this one you can actually customize the settings, which I'm really excited about. I also bought these MOA profile key caps. They're made out of PBT instead of ABS plastic like the stock keycaps are, and I'm really excited. The only thing that sucks is that the keyboard doesn't come until tomorrow, which kind of sucks, but you know what, we're gonna just have to wait. Alrighty, I think it is time we do a sound test of the keyboard I have. Just to preface, the keyboard I have right now is literally something that I won at Dave & Buster's 2 years ago, and it's garbage. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. It's garbage. Literally, like, I think it's probably $5 at the Dollar Tree or something. I don't know. It's really bad. It's a membrane keyboard. It's just really bad, guys. So that is the sound test of the keyboard that I have currently. As you can tell, it is far from perfect. It actually has a long way, but that is why we are buying an actual mechanical keyboard. The Keychron C3 Pro is Keychron's cheapest keyboard, but I feel like I can mod it and make it sound better. I got it with the Gateron red switches, and I don't know if they're pre-lubed, so we're gonna have to lube those later in the future. But I'm not gonna do that for a while because I'm poor. So you know what? That's really fun. Alrighty. I will see you all tomorrow when the keyboard gets here. Look at the keyboard, guys. Alrighty, let's give this a test. We got the new keycaps. Alright everyone, so as you can see, I have my brand new keyboard. It looks amazing. It is the Keychron C3 Pro, and the best thing is, Alexa, lights off. For the first time ever. Doesn't it look amazing? Here, let me turn that way down. Wow, I've never had a keyboard with backlight before. It looks amazing. Alexa, lights on. It also sounds amazing as well. guys, you know what we get to do with this keyboard? Alright everyone, I want to thank you all so much for watching today's video. I really enjoy my new keyboard. It's very nice. And in the next video, you will see that I got a new computer mouse. It is the Logitech MX Master 3S. Alrighty guys, I'll see y'all in the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like, subscribe to all the things down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.